Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So if you'd like to save some actions that you are performing on the screen, smoothly slide down the upper bar and click on Screen Recorder. If it's not here, you have to tap on Edit icon and then move it from here, from this panel. But I've got it here, so smoothly click on Screen Recorder and tap on Start Recording. And as you can see now, it's recording. Here you've got the icon. So let me go through some apps so we can see the screen being recorded. And now just click here to stop it. It's done, so the recording is saved in video. So now we have to open the gallery, and it's here. And now, as you can see, under Today, or if you will open the albums, it will be under Screenshots video. Just click on play, and now you can see the whole action that we performed. So it will be just jumping between the windows. And then if you would like to share this video with somebody, just tap on the share icon. If you would like to add it to favorites, just click on the heart icon. You can also edit this movie by tapping on edit, and obviously delete the video by tapping on delete and then confirming that you would like to remove it. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily record your screen in HUAWEI P40 Lite E. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.